ClickOnCare.com.
Today we are going to review the product name STRETCHRID. STRETCHRID is basically used for removing the stretch marks and also for tightening the skin. And now let's see the ingredients, whatever has been mentioned. So the ingredients are purified water, glycerin, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and some other ingredients. And we can also see that the main ingredients which has been used are vitamin E, which is very useful for skin tightening, and also jojoba oil, which is used for removing the dark marks, and the directions for use. So we'll use the product twice a day. We'll apply it on the areas which has been affected, and especially the areas which are prone to get stretch marks. That is nothing but tummy, hips, thighs, and then bust. So just massage it gently on the affected areas in a circular motion for twice a day. And we can see that the product has been marketed by Unichem Laboratories Limited. So the packaging looks like this. This product comes in 50 grams. And now let's unbox the package and then let's see how does the product look like. So this is a cream, how it looks like. And we can also see that there's a description inside the package. And in description we can see that we got to know what are stretch marks, why is it occurred, then the causes of stretch marks, and what's the use of using this cream, and also the directions has already been mentioned, and the main thing, when not to use the product and what precautions to be taken while applying this cream. So all the other details has been mentioned in this description, and you can have a good look to get to know about this.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store.
Now on Android and